Okay, this video is on how to use sign rules for division of integers. Now, the good news is if you've already watched the video on using sign rules for multiplication of integers, this video is as easy as it can possibly get, because the sign rules that you use for multiplication of integers are the same sign rules you would use for division. So if you think about, I have $24 and I divide them into 8 different groups, how many would each group be? It's $3 in each group. If I think about using sign rules, 24 divided by 8 is 3. And they are the same signs, a positive and a positive. So we have a positive 3. We call it the answer to a division is called a quotient. With B, if I think about what is 30 divided by 10, that's 3. And this is the opposite signs or different signs would mean a negative quotient. So positive 30 divided by negative 10 is negative 3. 48 divided by 12 would be 4. If I had negative $48 and I divided them into groups of negative $12 each, how many groups would I have? I would have a positive 4, because sign rules are negative times a negative, or same signs, is a positive answer. And finally, D, negative $66 divided into 11 different groups. How many would each group be? There would be negative 6, but 66 divided by 11 is 6. Different signs using sign rules is negative. You can get the same answer just by thinking about, are they the same signs or different? And that's much easier than having to contextualize. Finally, the last one, which I think is kind of really easy. It says Pierre paid $42 to admit himself and 2 of his friends into a science museum. What was the cost of each admission? Well, a positive 42 divided between 3 people, or positive 3, equals, if I think about what does that equal, it's $14 each. And therefore, it would cost $14 each person to get into the museum, for the museum. And that's as easy as it gets. That's sign rules in action.